In today's video, I am going to teach you how to monitor on Hootsuite. Monitoring is one of the key ways to stay informed about what people are saying, how your accounts are performing, and where you might need to respond. With Hootsuite, you can review updates in a structured way, so you spend less time searching and more time taking action. To begin, you will sign in to Hootsuite. On your screen, open your preferred web browser and go to the Hootsuite sign-in page. Then enter your login details when prompted and continue to the dashboard. If you are already signed in, you may go directly to the main area where your connected social networks and tools appear. Take a moment to make sure you land on the correct workspace or organization, especially if you manage more than one account. Once you are signed in, the next step is to click Parliament. This may look like a tab, menu item, or section label, depending on how your Hootsuite interface is set up. Click on it carefully so the page or panel updates. This step matters because it directs you to the specific monitoring area you want to use. You should see the relevant content load after you click, such as monitoring feeds, streams, or related tools tied to that section. After you open Parliament, you will click Manage. Think of this as moving from viewing information to controlling how that information is organized. When you select Manage, Hootsuite typically shows options that help you adjust settings, access management tools, or review configuration for what you are monitoring. Look for the Manage link or button in the same area as Parliament and click it to proceed. If you do not see it immediately, check that you are in the correct section and not still on a general overview page. As you click Manage, take a brief moment to observe what changes on screen. You may see controls for your monitoring setup, such as how feeds are arranged or what monitoring elements are enabled. This is where you can make sure you are tracking the right streams or viewing the information in the most useful format. If there are fields or tabs on the page, just note their presence for now. The main goal is to confirm that you have reached the management area tied to Parliament. At this point, you have successfully navigated through the required steps in Hootsuite. You are signed in, you have selected Parliament, and you have opened the Manage area. From here, you can continue with the monitoring workflow that your workspace requires, whether that means reviewing incoming updates, adjusting the monitoring view, or refining the streams you rely on. That brings us to the end of this tutorial sequence, and that covers everything you need to know.